Let's make chicken hot wings today. And trust me, it's so simple, you'll end up making this in your own home kitchens. Hey guys, this is the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. For chicken hot wings, you need chicken wings, of course. So that's the shoulder, that's the wing, and that's the winglet. So I'm going to use the chicken shoulder as well as the wing. Cut this like so. And this gets discarded. Similarly, let's start cutting the other pieces as well. Well, if you're not comfortable butchering this, please get this done at a butcher closer to your home. These pieces of chicken need to be nicely washed and completely patted dry. Once these are patted dry, you need to transfer this into a deep bowl so that these are ready to get marinated. For this, I'm going to use some yellow mustard powder. You could also use a mustard paste. This is followed by some chili powder or paprika. Some salt as required. And this now gets a nice even toss. Once the spice mix is nicely rubbed onto the chicken wings, let's dredge this with some flour and corn flour. This gives the chicken wings a nice crisp texture. Along with this, a little refined flour, and just to season the flour, some crushed black pepper. Simultaneously, I'll also put some oil to heat. Toss this well till the chicken wings are well coated. The oil is heated up. Let's start frying these pieces of chicken. The frying oil needs to be moderately hot, and the chicken pieces after frying should be nice golden brown in color and crisp. Make sure the pieces of chicken are cooked through and through. These pieces are fried and ready. Let's now proceed on to making the sauce. For the spicy and sweet sauce, the first thing that goes in is some oil in a wok. The oil is heated up. The first thing that goes in is garlic paste. This is followed by tomato ketchup, along with some chili powder. This could be optional because the chicken wings by themselves would also be spicy. Some mixed herbs, some salt to taste, and finally vinegar. Give this a nice mix and cook this for a minute or so. The sauce is ready. Let's add in the fried pieces of chicken. Well, this sauce could also go as an accompaniment instead of tossing it in the chicken, but that's a personal choice. A quick few tosses and the chicken wings are ready to be served. So didn't I tell you? It's extremely simple. All that's now left is to just bite into this.